Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And this is part 2, if it works, and it's not if it doesn't, because I have stuff I want to do still. And I added a little line of purple there. I actually have a balloon, and I've been thinking about what I might want to do with it, and there's not a lot. I kind of want some blue, some dark blue over here. And I'm going to put it right on my balloon and add a little gold and see how I feel about it. And that didn't bother me. So I'm going to use a little bit more. Just zhuzh up a few things, just ever so slightly, because I can. The name of my book on the Amazon link. Oh, and this works great. The balloons work great on the edges too, I gotta say. So I'm going to just put a little more paint on there. And then use the balloon to make it cohesive. Makes me want to, yeah, right there. But do I want to add anything else to it? Can I get away with it? Yep, I can. I can, I will, I am, and I do. Same thing over here, I think. Maybe with, yes, what did I do with it? I just put it down. It's staring you in the face. Where is it? There it is. I don't think I've heard anything yet. That's good. I kind of want to do other things. Like, can I get away with a little bit of black? Where is it? I'm not seeing anything anymore. There's my Prussian blue. That'll be alright. If it'll come out. Just because I want to. Do I want to do any more than that? Not really. But since I'm here, hopefully. No, that didn't ruin anything. Cool. I was a lot worried for a minute there. Just going to throw in a few things here and there. I kind of want to bring some marks down into that purple. I've got some great purple over here, but it looks like it needs some texture. I think I'm so close to have gone too far, but I still like what I've got. I just want to like it more than I do. I like the waggles and the spirals. I think I might be very close to being done. And then all I'll have to do is touch up my edges a little bit, and not a lot, in fact, because there's paint going over in all kinds of places. Now, my question for myself is, do I want any more gold? And I kind of do. I'm almost to the point where I'm done. Yep, that's really where I wanted that. Yep, I like all that. I'm not as sure about this. Yep, I like that. I don't mind that either, and I did just hit that corner, but fortunately the paint is still nice and wet. Let that run right down over. Perfect. Let that go right over. I love that little dot of orange, but I keep wondering why I don't have more of them. And I think it must be time to give myself permission. So that that orange and that orange come on, I don't want it huge. There, I really like that actually a lot. So much so, I am not done. And I think I can't go too much further. I think I want some white right up there. White pearl hopefully will still show through. Let me wipe off my skewer. No, I got some orange, but that's okay. I never mind things being not completely pure. I do love some dots. It really needed some dots. And it makes it feel a whole lot more like what I wanted now. Yeah, I like it. Oh, don't want all that. Well, I'm really happy it stayed light long enough for me to do this. And thank you guys for joining me. And thank you guys for supporting me all this time. I really appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate that. If you decide that you'd like to have the chance to win one of my paintings in a monthly drawing, click on the last 20 seconds of any video, and it'll show you probably an exhibition video, and in the exhibition video you'll see what the prizes are. Yes, I did, and I don't mind that I did. There's just 2 of those lines and I want another one. Temperature's just perfect out here to keep things rolling the way I wanted them to. I think I've got to give myself permission to have another little spiral right there. And then I'm going to torch and call it good. We got all kinds of time left for me to tell you that the new book, Volume 2 of Fluid Acrylic and Abstract Art, is called Unlimited Possibilities, and it's on the Amazon link underneath Show More, underneath the video, along with PayPal and Patreon for a $10 minimum donation to get in the monthly drawing. There's my email address is down there, and that will help you if you're interested in making a purchase of a painting. You can inquire there, or if you have a desire to know more about taking a class in Spring Hill, Florida, in the studio. Yes, I am. I'm still playing. I can't help it. It's the nature of the beast. I don't think I've heard anything, and I have a lot of really cool shapes in there, and I don't think I'm going to change my mind about it, but you never know. I could add something else tomorrow, but right now it looks plenty busy and very cool. And I love you guys. I mean, I really, really love you guys. Thanks for all the great comments to keep my morale up all this time. Geez, that's funny. There's just that one little bit of yellow in there. From when I started emptying the leftover paints out. Alright, so what did I miss? I said thank you, and I meant it. I have Teespring clothing under the video, and that's got all over print t-shirts and leggings and tote bags and coffee mugs, if you can find them. If you ever need a question answered, please feel free to ask me. I'll be happy to answer you when I get a chance, and I get back to you pretty often. I appreciate all of you guys helping me out by being here, and your loyalty is noted. I think I need the rest of that waggled. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard going, hey, I'll see you again. And if you check the community board on my channel header, my channel page, my YouTube channel, you should find tomorrow's video. And if you're looking for a Facebook group to join and you're a student, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors is for fans and collectors. Expressionist Art Studio Totes and More is for, if you want to see what I've been doing since 2013, press the Shop Now button and visit my fineartamericapixels.com, and you might find other things for sale there too. Yeah, I know, I said I liked it and then I changed it, but it just kept sticking out and calling to me, and now it's different. That's okay. Love you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out. You can see everything. That's cool. Anon.